Sure. Syndication investing is kind of a shared partnership between the general partner and the limited partners. Lakeside acts as the general partner, makes day-to-day decisions, but our investors are limited partners and get to be in a passive role and don't need to be responsible for day-to-day decisions and managing and all the back office support that we keep internally. And then when we sell the building in the long run, there's a profit sharing between the general partner and the limited partner, and everybody wins.
Real estate is an opportunity to earn higher returns without getting involved in things that feel and are super, super risky. I mean, there's a risk with any investment, but real estate is an opportunity to build towards a future while you're working really hard right now. I feel like, especially in the Bay Area, things cost so much. People work so hard for their money. And even people that make incomes that seem like, of course they would feel comfortable and fine about not just the money they have, but the money that they might retire with, but they really don't. You can make a lot of money in the city and really not save much, whereas this kind of investment, it doesn't feel like a gamble. And it's also not earning 2% in the bond market or a couple percentage in mutual funds. It really is a real return.
When I think of the average investor we talk to about becoming a passive investor with us and one of our opportunities or our fund, I think about where their time is best spent. And likely, while we have many very sophisticated real estate investors, we also have doctors and corporate lawyers and many other folks who I suspect are a million times better than I could be at that particular role, but probably being an active real estate investor would not be the best use of their time. And so
people are looking at living longer. How do we make our retirement make us money? And I mean, if we, say you retire at 65, what if you live till 100? Well, frankly, that could be scary for a lot of people if your day-to-day spending is, it's just to subsist in the Bay Area or in California is so expensive. How do you do that for 35 years? How do you do that and still provide, things for your grandchildren?
Was this educational for you? There's a whole lot more where this came from. Click the link and I'll see you at the next round.